Access issues reported on X account of Muhoozi. Concerns are growing over the current status of the official X, formerly Twitter account belonging to Muhoozi after multiple attempts to access the profile and its content consistently returned error messages. Our first step, initial search on X. An initial search for Muhoozi was conducted on X. The search results included a username reference in an older BBC post. However, upon clicking the profile, the platform returned the message. The term you entered did not bring up any results. Please try again later. Despite this, a verified account interface briefly appeared, but without any visible post or activity. This suggested that while the account may still exist, its content is not accessible. Step 2, attempt to access posts, replies, and media. Further attempts were made to explore the account by clicking on key sections, including posts, replies, and media. Each section returned the same error message: cannot retrieve post at this time. Please try again later. This consistent response across all sections indicates that the issue affects the entire account rather than a specific feature. Step 3, researching the account on X. A second search was conducted directly on X to confirm the account's presence. This time, the verified account did not appear in the search results at all. The absence of the profile in search results unusual, particularly for a high-profile public figure, and may suggest a restriction affecting the account's visibility. Step 4, access via Google search. To rule out issues with the X search function, a Google search was performed for the official account. The account appeared in the search results, confirming that it had previously existed and was indexed externally. However, clicking the link redirected back to X, where the same message appeared. The term you entered did not bring up any results. Please try again later. This indicates that the issue persists even when accessing the account through external platforms. Step 5, accessing post via Google trending results. Further investigation involved checking Google's trending posts and discussions where content attributed to the account was visible. One such post referenced Ugandan officials and appeared to be recent. However, clicking on the post resulted in another error message on X. cannot retrieve post at this time. Please try again later. This confirms that not only the profile but also individual posts linked to the account are currently inaccessible. Analysis of the situation: the consistent failure across multiple access methods, including direct search, external links, and individual post-like links, suggests that the issue is not due to user error, device problems, or internet connectivity. Instead, the behavior points to a platform-level issue affecting the account. Possible explanations: several possible explanations have been identified. The account may have been temporarily restricted or suspended by X. It could be deactivated or undergoing internal changes. There may be a visibility limitation preventing it from appearing in search results. Alternatively, though less likely, it could be a temporary system error on the platform. No official communication yet. As of now, neither X nor Muhoozi has issued an official statement regarding the situation. The lack of communication has left the matter open to interpretation. Conclusion: the repeated inability to access the account and its content strongly suggests a platform-level restriction or disruption. Until further clarification is provided, the status of Muhoozi X account remains uncertain. More updates are expected as the situation develops. The possibility which is most likely, number one is account restricted, that's banned. Number two is account partially restricted or partially banned in a layman language. Number three, Muhoozi could have permanently deactivated his account or temporarily deactivated his account. That is possible. So these three options are the ones, but there's a very high possibility of number two being the truth. That is temporarily suspended or temporarily banned. Thank you.